All right. Williams, Philippines. Good evening. Well, good morning, YouTube. 4:25 in the AM on the last day of the year, December 31st, 2024. Oy, yeah, it's gone. I'll be trying to finalize my budget and figure out how well I did this year or how I didn't do this year with. Uh, yeah, it's been an interesting year. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing good. Thanks for all my subscribers. I appreciate it. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Follow along on my little insanity of, yeah, I'm retiring to the Philippines, and I've got about 6.5 months left. So, yes, I am ready to go. Would really like to get out of here. The sooner the better. My co-workers, one of them got me a little coaster for my coffee mug. Yay! Thank you, if you ever watch this. Yeah, I'm going to miss this place in a way because I do have friends here. And yeah, I'll miss Texas. I'm a Texan. But I'm ready to get to the Philippines. And Texas and the Philippines has a lot in common. Spanish. Yeah, they call it Six Flags for a reason. One of them was, the Spanish flag. They didn't want to stick around. Some of my other ancestors were a bit, they called them uncivilized. My ancestors called them not the people because, they came in and stole stuff, like our land and killed our animals. And then wondered why we were not happy with them and, a bit uncivilized toward them. Invade somebody's home and then wonder why they want to kill you in self-defense. Yeah. So it is what it is. I hope everybody, gets to have a blessed New Year's and a lot of good friends and family. Yeah, I was joking with somebody. Said, "Yeah, I'm going to make a New Year's resolution, and I'm going to keep it by not having any New Year's resolutions." So I broke it already because I had a resolution to not have resolutions. Yeah, conflicted insanities. Anyway, yeah. But I plan on getting over to the store today and pick up a couple things for tomorrow. Some strange reason I want a steak tomorrow, and I don't know. I've got a steak in the freezer, and I'm going to pull it out. But I would like to get some greens. Kind of a tradition thing, black-eyed peas, greens and turnips and all that kind of good fun stuff. And yeah, get to do some cooking. Sadly, I don't have a lot of folks that are going to be coming by. Everybody's going everywhere this time. Yeah, it is what it is. It's like this year has been one of those where everybody went every other direction instead of here. It's okay. I'm going to catch up with one of my friends and have, food. It's a good thing to do on New Year's Day, is eat good food and spend a little time with a friend. Sad that his mom won't be cooking, but yeah. He's got a new girlfriend or well, soon to be wife. yeah, he's dove in on this one, and I actually think she's worth it. Not many in the country nowadays that I do think are worth getting with. A lot of them are, well, they've done themselves in. All these females that think they don't need a man. Okay, get out of your man-made clothes, get out of your man-made car, start walking, and oh yeah, grow your own food. Otherwise, shut up about don't need a man. You're just proxying it out because, oh, you've got dollars. Yeah, you still need a man to take your dollar. So, yeah, stupidity is stupidity. And I don't care if people don't like that. See, a woman will never equal a man, period. They are not men. And a man will never equal a woman. We are not women. And your delusions as to I have a pole but I'm really a hole is just your stupidity. So your delusion that you're something that you're not. It's mental sickness in your head, your problem. Not mine to deal with or coddle you over your stupidity. But like I said, I'm not a woman. I'm not equal to a woman. A woman is not a man, and they're not equal to me. Never will be. I don't care what they say. It's their problem in the head. So, yeah. But this one actually is a good woman. And I'm happy for my friend. Won't be here for when it happens, but I'll probably send him something. Or them. I gotta get used to that idea. Yeah, it's a interesting thing when one becomes two. And they all become one. When it actually is done right, it's a good thing. Sadly, too many people nowadays jump off in it and, well, I choose to prepare for my divorce. You never chose to marry. That was just a convenient moment. And stupidity, if you ask me, but that's, well, a lot of folks choose to do things in really strange ways. Yeah, we can either choose to get in between our left ear, or what, right ear, left ear, heart, head, and God, and work on us and try to become better us, or we can wallow around being stupid, worrying about other people. Personally, I don't care about other people. I like fixing me. And for some strange reason, I happen to be a fairly happy person. I still don't like people much, especially in large groups, but I'm getting better at it. It is what it is. And that's where you need to take and do your growing. If you're trying to work on somebody else, you're in the wrong neighborhood. But yes, as for the new year, well, like I say, I'm working on getting my house. I'll be putting it up for sale sometime, probably the last half of the month. Getting that started, doing fun stuff like that. I'm also trying to get rid of more stuff. God, I go to take and find that cable and end up with an extra bag of trash. And it's not really that it's all trash. It's just that it's stuff I've decided I don't need and I don't think I can sell or don't want to take the time to sell. And it's just better to get rid of it because I'm trying to make space so I can do things. I didn't realize my house was really that packed. And I really need to get better at, minimalizing things. Because, yeah, I'm looking at what I've got and trying to figure how I'm going to get it all into my suitcases. They ain't fitting. I need to get rid of more stuff. Again. But yes, I've got another, I need to get some these computers out. I've still got 10 desktops that need to go bye-bye. Such fun. And it's not that they're, not usable. It'd be quite easy to fix. Somebody could easily turn them into a little server. Matter of fact, I was looking and somebody had a video about turning a 2011 Mac Mini into a server running, some version of Linux. So they're getting Linux on a Mac Mini. I'm like, I never heard of that. Of course, I never really had anything to do with Macs or Mac Minis or Apple and all that. I avoided it. I still think I've gone over to the dark side. I now have a Mac Mini. I'm still trying to figure it out. I still haven't found where my files went. I just don't know. I was looking and somebody said, or one of the videos I was looking at said something about in the applications file. And I'm like, well, why would data be in the application? I don't know. I thought you stored data elsewhere and you kept your application here and it sent stuff there. I don't know. So much fun figuring this out. That's one of the things I'm also going to do with my New Year's, because I get to go home on New Year's morning after being up here for New Year's Eve. And I've been here for a lot more of my New Year's Eves than have missed. I think I've only been off for 1 or 2 New Year's Eves in the last 18 years. I think it was only 1. But yeah, apparently a lot of strange things happen on New Year's Eve, and I'm the one that gets to deal with it because I can handle dealing with it. New Year's can be kind of crazy at times. And figuring out remembering all the things that I've seen while working New Year's Eve here. Yeah. Some of it isn't fit for YouTube. Just put it that way. But hey, it is just another day, but for some strange reason, a lot of strangeness happens on New Year's. Sometimes I wonder if New Year's has a magical full moon just for New Year's night. It magically appears, causes people to go loony, and disappears real quick after they've lost their minds and gone crazy. Yeah, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Just saying, it's an idea. Again, ideas. Time, a group concept of which I was not the member that conceived it, so why be bound by other people's ideas and conceptions? I just don't get it. It is what it is. Okay, folks, I hope you've had a good one. Thanks for sticking around if you make it this far. Uh, Blessings to everybody and lots of good food and friends for your New Year's, and may your New Year be better than your last year. And yeah, please be good to each other. Oh, and apparently there's been a plane crash in South Korea or something. Uh, Prayers to the family on that. Only 2 survivors out of 181 people that were on board. 6 of them were crew. I don't know if the 2 that survived are crew or passengers or one of each. I don't know. But keep them in your hearts and lift them. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm William. This is Williams Philippines. Y'all have a good one. Happy New Year. Fish out.